How to perfect the lighting with exposure monitors in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Next in here, make sure you select Pro mode. So tap on more and select Pro. In Pro mode, tap on this button at the top here. This is the exposure monitor. So tap on it. And down here, if you want to turn it off, you can tap on the off button. Otherwise, you can control your color or you control your exposure lighting by using zebra pattern. Here, it will show the patterns, the area where the exposure area is. So you can see here, uh, you can see this quite bright and overexposed. So this using this here, this value here, IRE value, it can help you monitor areas that is overexposed. And from there, you can then adjust your lighting as necessary. You can also choose false color or zebra pattern. So in cameras Pro and Pro Video modes, feature advanced exposure motors to help you get the lighting of your pictures and videos just right. You can use zebra pattern to show stripes on overexposed and underexposed area, or try false color to color code everything based on its exposure level. And that's it. If you want to turn off, you can turn off. Once you have identified area that needs to be fixed, you can then go back to your settings in here and make the necessary changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.